Hi, Mi! Kagigising ko lang, but I just wanna say, happy birthday to you!
Nagkanta.
Happy birthday to you, Mi, I wish you all the best at saka good health talaga lagi para sa'yo, sa family mo, kala ate, kala Toto, Christoph, at saka sa family mo na sana'y patnubayan kayo ng Panginoon kahit saan kayo magpunta. Tsaka maraming salamat sa memories natin together na magkasama. Nag-enjoy talaga ako yung mga TikTok natin, videoke, kainan, parlor, picture kahit saan, yung gano'n, nakakamiss lang. Papuntang park, pagbabantay kay Christoph, kahit saan. Maraming salamat, May, sa lahat. Kasi nandyan ka minsan pag kailangan ko ng kausap. Alam mo, kahit sa CR tayo, lagi tayo nag-uusap nila ate. Walang
Non-stop.
Non-stop, walang ending yung usapan. Basta yun lang. Yun lang yung number one na wish ko para sa'yo is good health talaga. Tsaka enjoy mo lang yung life. Enjoy na lang. Yun lang naman yung importante sa sa buhay. Ikaw, may gusto kang
Happy birthday, May. Kahit hindi tayo nagkita sa personal, hindi kita ganong kilala, pero alam ko paano ka naging mommy kay JM. So, happy birthday, May. At good health pa rin po. Yun lang po ang pinaka-importante. Wala na pong iba. Kailangan talaga, health is wealth talaga.
God bless.
God bless, Mami. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Amiga, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang healthy, happy, at safe kasama ng family mo. Miss you. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Love you. Mama. Chup chup.
Mari, happy birthday. Wish you good health. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Nancy. I love you,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Ate, happy 65 birthday ha. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. Stay pretty as you are. Yun lang, paalam.
Good morning o good evening, good afternoon dyan sa lugar nyo. Sana makahabol ito. Happy 65 birthday sa'yo, ate. Ang masasabi ko lang, you're the best ate in the whole world. Mahal na mahal kita. Sana maging humaba pa ang buhay mo. Tayong lahat. Sana magkita-kita tayo sa isang taon. Magkasama-sama tayo magkakapatid. Ang buong pamilya. Masaya. At makapamasyal sa mga gusto natin puntahan. Sana lagi kang maging masaya, malusog ang katawan, at mapayapang isip. I love you, ate. Muli, happy 65 birthday sa'yo. I love you.
Hello, all the way from Baguio. Happy birthday, ate! Thank you for all the memories we've shared since our childhood days. Naalala ko pa nung bata tayo. Ikaw nagpapatulog sa akin. Para makatulog ako, hinihimas mo yung kilay ko. Yun ang mga banding natin noon. Lagi tayong magkasama. Kwentuhan, tawanan. Magkakalaro pa tayo. Nagpipiko tayo nila Ate Marites. Yung Chinese garter. Naalala ko noon. Wish you good health para more travels pa tayo. Looking forward ako na magkasama tayo ngayon dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Malapit na kaming pumunta ni Lay. Thank you. I miss you. See you soon. I love you, ate. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Lola Sally. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Hula la. Pepperoni pizza. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say love you.
Love you. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Lola Sally. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Cha.
Lola, pepperoni pizza.
One more time, Pastor. Happy birthday
to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Sally. Cha cha cha.
Lola, pepperoni pizza.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. See you sa December. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And sana magkita-kita tayo ulit soon. And karaoke nights ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. Thank you for being a great supporter to Mama. And I wish you a long life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Salamat.
Happy birthday, ate. Okay.
Hello, Mommy Rosalie. I'm just here in Galleria Mall making this video and editing this video presentation. But kidding aside, I just want to greet you a happy 65th birthday, Mommy. And today, we celebrate your 65 wonderful years of love, strength, and sacrifices, of course. As your eldest child bilang panganay, I want to take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you for everything you have done and continue to do for our family. Being the firstborn, I witnessed your journey closely. So the hard work, the sleepless nights, the quiet prayers, and sacrifices you made without ever complaining. So you always put your family first, and because of you, I learned how to stand with my own feet. I learned responsibility and resilience, respect, and what true unconditional love really means. So, Mommy, ikaw yung haligi ng ating tahanan, ng ating pamilya. So, you are our source of strength when life gets hard. So, hindi naman mawawala ang mga problema. So, kahit na maraming problema, so, napagdaraanan natin with the help of our Lord. And, of course, all the values I carry today came from you. So because of you, I learned how to stand strong with all my heart. And as you turn 65, my prayer is for your good health, peace of mind, and happiness. So may God bless you with many more years to come. So filled with laughter, of course, the love and beautiful memories, of course. Ngayon is our turn to take care of you. and give back even a portion of the love you have given us all these amazing years. So thank you for being an amazing mother, a strong woman, and our greatest inspiration. So I am so blessed, and I am so proud to be your eldest son. So mommy, we love you and we will always love you. Again, happy birthday.
Hi mommy, happy 65 birthday. More birthday to come. God bless. Ingat palagi. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday and Merry Christmas, Lola Sally. Stay safe and always be healthy. God bless you.
Happy New Year.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Nanaihi. Happy birthday, Nanaihi. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Your grandpa, your grandpa, and your
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love. What do you say?
I love you. Nana is